Hi guys, charity shop, gold or garbage. Spotted this one. Robot larve, clever bug. Avoids obstacles. Cost me £1.50. If there's any instructions in there. Oh yeah, there are some in there. In various languages. English. Non-rechargeable batteries must not be charged. Rechargeable batteries may only be charged under adult supervision. Well, it takes 3 LR44 button cells. There's still got a tab in there, so if we're lucky, it might work anyway. Light came on. Whoa! Oh, hang on. Slow down, mate. Let's see what else it says. I don't know. That's just safety stuff. Okay, well, it's got a picture there showing how to change the batteries, but I think we can work that out. Undo that screw, open that cap, and the batteries are in there. So, okay, let's see if it avoids objects. I've got some tin cans on the floor, tins of beans. Oh, hang on, turn around, mate. Oh, I love it. Oh, what a great toy. Well, send him back again. Oh, I love that. Well worth £1.50. No idea how much they are brand new. Oh, he's getting stuck. Sorted itself out. Picking up all the dust on my floor. Oh, I love it. Well, that works. Brilliant. And yes, my kitchen floor needs a brush, a clean. Well, you certainly picked up some dust on the floor there. I did have a little clockwork bug like this that had the same sort of movement. The wheel turning there, it's got a cam on it which makes it do the, let's turn it on. Makes it do that sort of motion. But the electronics are going to be the bits that sort out the reverse and distance and that sort of thing. So there's not much point in taking that apart, I don't think. Unless it gets broken by my grandsons. At the moment it works fine, so we'll leave it like that. You can probably see the LED on the front there, or the sensor. Oh, I see. Yeah, the camera's picking up the infrared LED between his eyes. I can't see that with my naked eyes. I would think inside there is the receiver, so that's the sender. At a guess. Right, I'll clean the dust off him and put him back in the container, ready for my grandsons to play with him. What's it got written on there? Produced for something that's hidden. Oh, dropped it. Zebra AS. Grandad DK 1401 Copenhagen, Denmark. Made in China. www.tstores, tstores.co.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.